Okay guys, so as you can see, this dashboard looks all good and nothing comes off. Same to the top. Okay, but here you can see, but I already fixed that side, okay? But this side, as you can see, this is out, right? And this right here. As you can see, I already fixed one side here. I used I don't know, some kind of silicone. It's better if you use some darker like black, because otherwise you could probably see, but then you can just go ahead and paint once you actually fix it. But right here it's wet. I just put some on this side, and I'm gonna use this kind of pliers and just let it sit for a night. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spread the silicone evenly. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I used like two, so this would actually make it straight. And again, not just straight, but a little bit round. So I put two. This one's kind of round a little. So, and as you can see, I did not squeeze it, um, completely, but just enough. You know, there's like this hard plastic. That's where I put the bottom of the pliers and the top over this, so it would be straight. And I'm gonna do this once this dries up. Then I'm gonna do to this side and this side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some silicone around here, here, and this should go inside like that. And if this will not fit, I could just go ahead and trim this off and put some silicone around in here as well, because this is broken off. So, and then just put this on like that and put something heavy over this and just let it sit for a night, and it's gonna look exactly like this. You can actually see some of my silicone over there, but I can go ahead and just paint this black. As you can see, it's not coming off or anything. Same to this one. Everything is glued, everything is working. So guys, if this video is helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and also watch my other videos on Dodge Charger. And I also have some other videos on other cars, so check them out.